Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 5 best beard trimmers carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Philips Norelco 13-Piece Grooming Kit. Discover the Philips Norelco 13-Piece Grooming Kit, the ultimate solution for all your grooming needs. Whether it's your beard, sideburns, eyebrows, or neck, this versatile kit covers it all, delivering precision trimming and maintenance in one package. The precision trimmer ensures sharp lines and an exact finish, while the nose and ear trimmer takes care of unwanted hairs for a complete, well-groomed look. Thanks to self-sharpening steel blades, this trimmer maintains its performance as sharp as day one, requiring no blade oil to keep things running smoothly. Unlike many competitors, you won't have to worry about constant upkeep. Simply detach the blades and guards for an easy rinse underwater, making maintenance hassle-free. With a powerful battery, offering up to 60 minutes of runtime, you can enjoy consistent trimming performance. A full power adapter is included for added convenience. Plus, the grease found when removing the trimmer head isn't a concern. It's there to maintain smooth trimming performance over time, ensuring your grooming sessions stay as effective as when you first started. Perfect for every man, from a daily beard trim to more detailed facial grooming, the Philips Norelco Grooming Kit is a must-have for all grooming routines. Get the precision, durability, and ease you deserve. Number 2. Professional Men's Beard Trimmer and Shaver Kit. Elevate your grooming routine with our Professional Men's Beard Trimmer and Shaver Kit, designed to meet the needs of both home users and barbers. Through extensive research, we created a trimmer that handles hair, beard, and body grooming with ease, making it the perfect gift for any man who values a well-groomed look. Whether you're looking to shave, shape, or trim, this men's grooming kit has got you covered. Powered by a 7,500 RPM motor, our trimmer delivers high performance, effortlessly cutting through even the thickest and coarsest hair. Combined with its sharp blades and metal construction, it offers luxury and durability, turning your grooming experience into something exceptional. The titanium T-blade and double foil blade are precision-engineered to provide a zero-gap cut, making it perfect for liner, edger, and balding styles. Hypoallergenic and gentle on your skin, this trimmer is suitable for all ages and hair types, giving you a close, smooth shave every time. With a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, charge for just 2 hours for up to 150 minutes of cordless use, and enjoy the portability for grooming on the go. Plus, it's adaptable to worldwide voltages, making it perfect for travel. Number 3. Braun Series 9 Pro Electric Shaver. Experience the Braun Series 9 Pro, the world's most efficient electric shaver, now even better. With its new Pro head design, this razor can tackle 1, 3, or 7-day beards, even in the most tricky areas like your upper lip and neck. The Pro Lift trimmer captures and cuts flat-lying hairs, while Braun's unique sonic technology helps you shave up to 10% faster, delivering a close yet gentle shave every time. Enjoy cordless convenience with the powerful Li-ion battery, which fully charges in just 1 hour for 60 minutes of shaving time. That's enough for up to a month of shaves. In a rush, a 5-minute quick charge gives you enough power for a single shave. Built to last, the Braun Series 9 Pro is made in Germany and designed to last up to 7 years, making it a reliable investment for your grooming routine. This wet and dry shaver is 100% waterproof, allowing you to use it with foam, gel, or even in the shower for a truly versatile shaving experience. The shaver head lasts up to 18 months, ensuring long-term performance. In the box, you'll find everything you need: the Series 9 Pro razor, charging stand, leather travel case, and more. This is the ultimate gift for any man, whether it's for Christmas, a birthday, or Father's Day. Perfect for husbands, boyfriends, or dads. Number 4. Philips Norelco Beard and Hair Clipper. Achieve the perfect beard, mustache, or sideburns with the Philips Norelco Beard and Hair Clipper, the ultimate grooming tool for all your facial hair needs. Featuring self-sharpening steel blades, this clipper stays as sharp as the first use, ensuring long-lasting performance without the need for blade oil. Whether you're trimming your beard or shaping your sideburns, the lift and trim comb captures more low-lying hairs with every pass for a smoother, more efficient cut. With 10 adjustable length settings, you can easily lock in the exact length you need, with precision cuts at 1 mm increments down to 3/64 inch. From a full beard to a neatly trimmed stubble, this clipper allows for total versatility in your grooming routine. Plus, the detachable head makes cleaning a breeze. Just pop it off and rinse underwater to keep it in top condition. Enjoy up to 90 minutes of cordless use with the lithium-ion battery, offering powerful performance without being tethered to an outlet. Lightweight and compact, this clipper is ideal for at-home grooming and on-the-go touch-ups. Achieve your perfect look with the Philips Norelco Beard and Hair Clipper, a durable, easy-to-use grooming tool for all hair types. Number 5. Beard Master Grooming Kit. Take your beard care routine to the next level with the Beard Master Grooming Kit, the ultimate collection designed to give you a smooth, polished look. Start with the Beard Hedger, equipped with a precision zoom wheel offering 20 length settings in 0.5 mm increments. Say goodbye to multiple clipper attachments. Trim everything from a rugged lumberjack beard to a clean stubble with ease. Next, treat your beard to the Beard Shampoo, formulated to gently cleanse without stripping away natural oils. Unlike regular hair, beard hair is more coarse and needs a more delicate approach. Our shampoo ensures your beard stays clean and nourished. Follow up with the beard conditioner, a leave-in softener packed with nourishing oils and antioxidants. It rehydrates dry hair and the skin underneath, leaving both feeling silky soft. Vitamin E works to soothe dry skin while giving your beard a healthy, vibrant shine. For the perfect finish, use our beard oil, rich in nutrients to help restore moisture and promote a natural shine, keeping the skin beneath your beard hydrated and happy. Complete the grooming process with the beard comb, made from natural beechwood and designed to detangle knots while preventing static. Perfect your style and maintain your beard with ease. Everything you need for a flawless, well-groomed beard is here. Beardmaster has you covered. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.